Hello, guys, and welcome to another episode. Today, we are going to take a look in this Bburago Gold Collection Porsche 911 Carrera 4. It is in black color. It is new old stock, of course, and I bought this because I needed parts, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna keep it as is because, first of all, it looks very nice, so I don't want to ruin it. And second of all, I needed the headlights to put it in a different UT model, but it turns out they look the same in the picture, but in person the headlights are not similar. They have some changes, so they are not compatible. So anyway, I'm gonna keep it as is. I like it. I like the black exterior color with the brown interior color. So I thought before I take it out of the box to record this video and do it with you. So let's proceed with the unboxing. As you can see, it's the old Gold Collection box. It has seen better days. Probably it was displayed somewhere that it had sun, and you see here the plastic is burned and it's broken. So anyway, let's proceed with caution because sometimes you don't know what you will find inside the boxes. So it's the old foam case with the socket for the booklet. Car looks very nice, very shiny. It doesn't have a lot of dust even though it has a hole in the box. Looks very nice. I think that I'm going to make a modification to it because I think I don't like those wheels. Let me know in the comments if you like those wheels. I think that they look good, but in the chrome color they look cheap, and also in the center they don't have the uh, logo. So maybe I put different wheels, or maybe I paint this and add the logo in the center. We will see about that. So let's take it off the base. So off the box, it looks like it was never opened before. The seal in the center looks original. You can see how it looks from underneath. Very nice details. I like the way that the motor is showing. And also it has the front seal. That's tricky because when you have this sitting for a long time, it causes problems to the paint job. Let's hope we don't have any problems here. So now everything is off and we can start take a look at it. It feels like the car is dirty, but it doesn't have a lot of dust on it. Very nice details. You can see the license plate. Nice details on the hood. Very nice headlights. I think that in some areas it looks better than the UT model. Now I'm noticing that there is an issue with the rear wiper. So let me fix it. I think now it's okay. It has the rear wiper, which is nice. Very nice interior color. The rear exhaust pipes need some readjustment because they look very toyish. So I'm gonna fix them or replace them and put them in the right position. Nice tail lights. And the grills of the engine are perforated, as you can see. You can see right through them. It opens all the way up. And as for the engine, it could be more detailed, but doesn't look bad. For sure the beauty models car has a bit better details. You can see here the plastic with the fan. But this also has, I think both models have nice details. UT models car has in different areas. This car has in different areas. I think both of them are good. And here is the look of the interior. Looks very nice. Nice center console. It feels it has like good quality. And in the front you can see that the hood doesn't stay open. I will open it more. You can see it has also nice details in the front. It has even the lackages and the spare wheel. I'm guessing that this is a spare wheel. Very nice model car. I'm very happy that I bought it because it has a lot of details that Bburago models usually don't have, and I really like it. As always, thank you for watching. This is the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. I will make a video again to show you what I've done with it, what modifications I've done to it and what I corrected. So again, thanks for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.